Hey guys, in this video we are going to try out this indicator, Smart Forex Buy Sell Signal by Lucas. Later we will try out this indicator, and we also will take 3 latest reversal point for the indicator. We will use risk reward projection to find out its profitability and vs its loss. So basically later we will take 3 latest reversal point and we will find out its performance based on the indicator. And to add on, if the risk reward position is more than 1, means that we can plan the trade as the reward is higher compared to the risk. So let's start. First of all, you can open up the indicator, Smart Forex Buy Sell Signal by Lucas. You can go to the indicator tab and just open up the indicator. So basically you can just type the indicator and you can choose each either one of them. This is for the indicator. For the second one, it also includes the strategy so that you can test the strategy in your trading performance. So I will show you how. Basically, you can use this indicator, strategy, smart forex, buy sell signal. They will generate out strategy tester. You can arrange for its inputs, the description, so that it can generate out the signal based on your graph. So in today's video, I'm going to teach how to use for this indicator. So after you have opened up the indicator, it will generate out the indicator in the graph. When red turn into green turn into red, basically it will show a reversal point, while for red turn into green, it also shows a reversal point. And we also can check for the description. For this, you can just go to the indicator, press for these 3 dots and choose for about this description. So basically it will show you how to use this indicator, the definition of this indicator. You can find out if you want to check for this description. And this indicator, this is buy and sell signal based on price action, RSI, and correlation between Forex major pairs. It only works for Forex major pairs because I only took their data. So basically this is the indicator is suitable for Forex, and you can try out based on the description. You can read out this description. So basically it recommend to wait for double signal, spec buy is greater than buy, or spec sell is greater than sell. So you can read this up and you can plan your strategy based on this indicator. If you want to try, you can just use strategy tester to test out its performance based on the indicator. So let's start. First of all, you can take few points to find out its performance, and later we will use a risk reward projection to test out its performance. And for me, I would like to open another indicator for support resistance. For me, my preference is this volume profile fixed range. So I can just generate it out. So you can just open volume profile fixed range. And it will generate out my indicator. You can change the setting of the indicator. For example, now it's taking the volume of 150 candlestick. So you can just shorten it up to around 40 to 60, as you can take the volume as a reference for your trading. For example, at this area, we will plot out the support resistance. So when volume is high, it's equal to strong support. So volume profile is high is equal to strong support or resistance region. So basically we can use this as our definition and we can just plot out. So we will plot out at this area, high volume, and we will plot out another. So basically we'll did this area, two lines, and we'll plot another one. So we will plot another one as our intermediate support resistance. So after that we have plot three lines and we can start to identify our trading pattern as this area. This area, as you can see, red turn into green and shows a reversal. So when the first candlestick has formed, we can plan our trading based on the first candlestick. So basically this is our first reversal candlestick form when red turn into green, and you can just plan your strategy. We will take long position as this is a reversal turning in from bearish into bullish. So you can take here and we will plan for our strategy. So we will take this support resistance as the volume is high at this area, so that we can just take the reference of this support resistance, and also we can plan for our cut loss this area. After that, after we have plot, we can see that the risk reward is 2.59. So basically when the risk reward ratio is more than 1, means that the trade is good, means that our reward will be more compared to the risk, and the possibility of winning is higher. We can win more and lose less, as the risk reward ratio is 2.59. So basically this is a point that you can plan your trade and make sure that you hold on your stop loss and also take profit point. You need to be responsibility on it. So basically this is a one point that you can see. And next we will take another point. We will take this point, this stop point. So this point, it turns from green into red and it shows a reversal, long reversal in a bearish run. And let us find out. So first we will need to adjust our volume profile. So basically you need to adjust the volume profile to be a more time period. So I will adjust to 120. So it generate out a volume profile. So after that you can plot your point. So this is will be the first intermediate support resistance, and we will take this point for our support system. And you need to open out short position as it turns from green to red, means green bullish into bearish reversal. So let us put this point, and so we'll so our point will be here. As the side have no volume, we will take the candlestick as our reference for our cut loss point, and for our take profit point will be around this area if we are using for short-term position. So the risk reward ratio is 1.08 and it shows a reversal based on the indicator, and this will be a slightly biased to reward position, but the risk reward ratio is not high, so means that the winning probability compared to the losing probability is more equal to around relevant, but it shows a reversal. So basically this is a point that you can plan a small trade but not a very strong confirmation trade. So yeah, basically that's all how you can use this indicator, Smart Forex buy sell signal indicator. You can read up its description on TradingView and you can plan your trade based on this strategy. Make sure that you run your strategy first before you plan for your trade, and also you can use for strategy tester and use paper trading before you start in real world trading. So yeah, thank you for watching.